16th PZM Essentials webinar. My name is Dan Bahe, and I am one of the Precision Business Planning Specialists here at AgSolver. And in today's webinar, we're going to be covering creating custom reports. To run through our agenda for today, we'll have our introduction, navigate to the reports creation page, then navigate to the custom reports page, and then select the information that we want to create within our custom report, and then we'll follow up with any questions anyone might have. I do want to mention that we are in Q&A mode, so if you have a question, please type your question underneath my contact information in the chat box below. My contact information is, my email is djbahe@agsolver.com, or you can email our support team at support@agsolver.com, or you can give me a call. My cell phone number is 319-238-1978. Now we'll hop into Profit Zone Manager. And so what we're first going to navigate to is to our custom reports, or to our reports page. So up beneath, or up above the top of the map, you see the Create Report button in gray or white. Click on that, and then we will create a custom report based off of the field level. You can create this off of the enterprise, farm, field, or scenario level. So then this pulls up our report or the suite of reports that we can create. And right now we're on the actual or implemented reports. I'm going to shift over to the custom reports tab. And for this field, we're going to go off of the Webster. And I'm going to select business performance for scenario actual production corn 2010. And then we will click add to that. And then I also want to add a yield map for actual production 2010 corn. And then followed up with soils, flood hazard, topography, and aerial map. So we're combining all of this information into one report. And after we've selected the information they would like to see within our report, we can go ahead and click the green print button at the bottom right-hand corner of this custom reports tab. And then now our report is being processed. So the worker is putting all of this information together for a report, and the report should come back here fairly quickly. And depending on how big the report is and your internet connection speed will depend on how fast the report is generated back. As you can see, we have a notification at the top saying that our report has been created. We can click the green download report button. So and here's our report. At the very top, we have an aerial map of the Webster field. We scroll down, you can see the business performance report along with the financial table, along with the return on investments map, profitability map. And then moving down, we have a basic yield map of the field. And our yield maps are inversed in colors, so the darker the red, the higher the yield, the wider the white, the lower the yield. When we scroll down, we have our soils map for this particular field, topography map, and then finally flood hazard map. And then we can download this report or print this report. So we just select our printer that we wanted to send it to. and we can print our report straight from Profit Zone Manager. We can also share reports, whether we want to share it for 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. In this case, you could share this report with your local inputs provider or insurance agent or whomever you may want to share this report with. So if we click on that, it creates a link where they can go, and this link will be emailed to whoever you send it to. They have access to this report for how many days that you specify. Now I'd like to open the floor up for any questions anyone might have. And while questions roll in, I do want to invite you to our next webinar at 11 o'clock this morning, and that's comparing as intended planning recs, where we'll be comparing a variable rate planting rec versus a solid stand or flat rate planting rec. And we'll be looking at these various planting recs on a highly diverse field in terms of variability. So while we wait for another minute or so, I do want to mention that this webinar, is being recorded and will be posted onto our YouTube page after it is completed. And if you have any questions on how to create custom reports or anything revolving Profit Zone Manager application, please feel free to reach out to me either via email or cell phone. I can answer your questions for you. I want to thank you for viewing our November 16th webinar. Thank you.